Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Standing at the threshold of Lincoln Memorial, looking back towards the east, you're granted the most significant view in the American capital. From this elevation, the entire narrative of the National Mall is laid out before you. The reflecting pool stretches away like a silver ribbon, leading the eye past the World War II Memorial and up to the soaring height of the Washington Monument. On a clear day, the dome of the Capitol is visible in the far distance. This is the Vista of the centuries, a physical representation of the timeline of the United States, from its revolutionary birth to its greatest trial. This spot is more than a scenic overview. It is a sacred space to the American voice. This top step is where Dr. Martin Luther King stood in August of 1963, looking out over a sea of 250,000 people. When he spoke of the promissory note of the Declaration of Independence, he was using Lincoln Memorial as his backdrop, intentionally linking the struggle for civil rights to the man who signed the Emancipation Proclamation. To stand here is to stand on the literal ground where the moral arc of the universe was bent a little further towards justice. The architecture here is designed to make you linger. As you look out from between the massive Doric columns, the city of Washington feels near and far. You're high above the traffic of Constitution Avenue and the bustle of the tourist buses. This separation is vital. It provides the perspective necessary to think about the nation as a whole rather than a collection of parts. The symmetry of the water and the stone creates a sense of order and permanence, suggesting that despite the political noise of the day, the foundations of the country remain firm. As we prepare to descend these steps and return to the city streets, the image of Lincoln remained behind us, seated in his chair of state. But his gaze is fixed on the same horizon we see now. He is looking towards the Capitol, watching over the ongoing work of the government he died to preserve. This walk has been a journey through the heart of the American story, from the monuments of the past to the living democracy of the present. Taking one last look at the reflection in the pool, we're reminded that this landscape belongs to everyone. It is a stage that will never truly be empty, waiting for the next chapter of the story to be written.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.